Hello everyone! Are you having problems with trying to bake the lighting in your map but nothing happens when you press the build button like this? Let's quickly go over how to fix that and set up your settings to work with baked lighting. First off, go into your light sources setting and make sure that the mobility type is set to static. Then head over to the Edit tab and click on Project Settings. In here, go ahead and search for Global Illumination. You can find it under the Engine Rendering section. Here, you have Dynamic Global Illumination method. It is by default set to Lumen, which does not work with baked lighting. So press the drop-down menu and choose None instead. Exit out of the project settings window. Now go over to the build menu and select build lighting only. The light will be baked into the environment correctly again. Let's move the lights a bit and verify that it works correctly. And there we go, a super efficient way to set up non-dynamic lights in your level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.